Hello everyone, I am Sofikul Mollik. Welcome to Coding Adda. Today we will talk a problem on slice reverse. We have one slice, that is slice 1. We have initialized it 1572. So this is the slice of integer and its values are 1572. Our task is to reverse this slice so that our output will be 2751. We have calculated length of this slice. For that purpose, we are using one function, one global function, len. Then we are passing slice 1 as an argument. We'll get length of this slice as 4 because we have 4 elements in this slice. Then we are initializing one slice, that is slice 2, with blank value. So we have used here colon equals to. That means it will declare slice 2 and also then it will initialize this slice with empty value. Then we are looping through slice 1 using the range keyword as we discussed in the previous lecture. Range on slice 1 will give us two output, that is index and value. But here we are only interested in index, not in value. For that reason, we are not storing the value of the slice in another variable. Just we are storing the value of index in I. Then we are appending the value in slice 2. So we are taking the value from last of the slice 1. For that reason, we are using len minus I minus 1. Let's take an example. Len will be 4, I will be 0 for the first time. That means 4 minus 0 minus 1, that will be 3. 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3 because array and slice are 0 index based. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So value of this slice 1 at index 3 is 2. So it will get 2. Then I will be 1. That means 4 minus 1 minus 1. That means 4 minus 2. That will be 2, 0, 1, 2. So value at index 2 is 7. Similarly, in the next iteration, value will be 5. And then at the end iteration, the value will be 1. So slice 2 will be filled with 2, 7, 5 and 1. Then we are printing the output. Let me talk about one interested thing about the global function like len, append. There are many other global functions are there in Go. So why Go defined global function? Because Go tried to make the language very simple. So it created global functions. Then we can use this global function on different types. Like Alien can be used on slice to get the length. Similarly, alien can be used to get the length on array. Alien can be used to get the length on map. Similarly, append function can be used on different types. So the developers no need to memorize different syntax and functions. It aims to simplify the language for the developer. Now we'll execute this program and we'll check the output. Yes, we are getting 2751. That means we are getting reverse of slice 1. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.